Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kodnani. Today I'm going to talk about the Hero GoPro 10. This is what I'm recording with right now. This entire vlog is going to be recorded on the Hero GoPro 10. There is also no external mic connected to the camera. This is purely what the microphone of the GoPro can catch, and I'm sitting in a very silent room, so hopefully this audio should be very clear, but we'll see how this goes about when we're on the road. I'm going to get my bike serviced soon, and hopefully we'll get it by today evening. I am going to try and record different shots that I can on my bike while riding it around Mumbai city, and this should be fun. As you guys are aware, I'm gonna try and do a moto vlog while showcasing the GoPro Hero 10. Let's get to it. Right here. What's up, Jitu? Thank you. May I do a little bit of recording? Yeah, sure. So that's the workshop where I have just got my bike serviced, and we get some good views now. The normal view of the camera with this accessory on me. Now I'm going to switch into the wide mode. Bolts are tight. I'm going to turn on the engine. Let's go. Favorite roads. This road leads to Bandstand. Straight ahead is Bandstand, and if you take a right ahead from this road, you will be headed towards Bandra and Carter Road. Like we are in Bandra, but like towards Khar then. I'm just gonna switch into the normal view and not the wide angle view now. Yup. Mounted the camera on my helmet right now, and the next shot is going to be of the view ahead. So I'm on the road. This is my final mount on my tank. I have used the 3M sticker and the J hook that is been given in the accessory kit. There's light behind me and light in front of me. Hope this will be very audible because it's not all that loud and my bike's not on. So yes, let's get going. These are the few angles adjustment that I could do. So like you get like a top view behind me. Sure about this mount. It's moving a little, but it's stable enough. This is right where my key is placed, so right under that